All right, guys, good morning. We are on math lesson 14-2 today. So I'm going to go ahead and get that open. You guys can get out your math 14-2, your workbook out. If you don't have your workbook, remember, I showed you guys a few different ways to access it, or you can just write your answers on a separate sheet of paper.
Miss Pike, the lesson is 14-2, right?
Yes, 14-2 is correct. Subtracting money.
Here is a story. Jared gave a man 50 cents for a toy dinosaur. The price of the toy dinosaur is 39 cents. How much change did Jared get back? Let's find out. How much money did Jared give the man for the dinosaur? Jared gave the man 50 cents for the dinosaur. What is the price of the dinosaur? The price of the dinosaur is 39 cents. What do you need to find? You need to find how much change Jared gets. Subtracting 50 cents minus 39 cents is like subtracting 50 minus 39. Why is subtracting 50 cents minus 39 cents like subtracting 50 minus 39? The numbers are the same, and you subtract them in the same way. What do you do differently when you subtract amounts of money? When you subtract money, you use the cent symbol. How do you write the problem with amounts of money? Line up the tens and ones places. Write the cent symbol. How do you solve 50 cents minus 39 cents? Subtract. Regroup if you need. Subtract the ones. You need to regroup 110 for 10 ones. Then subtract the tens. Write the cent symbol. The difference is 11 cents. How much change does Jared get? He gets 11 cents in change. You can see how to subtract using money.
All right, we are now going to be working on 14-2 reteaching. Okay, let's go ahead and do 14-2 reteaching. Okay, subtracting money is the same as subtracting two-digit numbers. Think of the pennies as ones and the dimes as tens. So we're going to line them up. 51 cents minus 22 cents. Remember to write the cent sign in your answer. Okay, so let's go ahead, and we know here we need to regroup. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. 5 becomes a 4, 1 becomes an 11, 11 minus 2 equals 9. 4 minus 2 equals 2.
What page are we on?
Total is 29 cents. We are on lesson 14-2. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a minute to get there.
Have we did anything?
More on top, no need to stop. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So your answer is 35 cents. Okay, you guys are going to help me with these ones. Okay, I'm going to call on each of you guys individually, and you need to unmute and you need to tell, oops, you're going to talk, you're going to walk me through the answers. Okay. All right. The first one is going to be Russell. 5 minus 4. What is the poem? More on top.
No need to stop.
Very good. So what's 5 minus 4, Russell?
1,
And then what is 6 minus 2?
4.
So what is your total?
41.
41 what? 41 cents. Very good. Okay, Jewels, you're next. Jewels, you're next. More on the floor. What is the poem, Jewels? More on the floor. Go next door.
And get 10 more.
And get 10 more. Very good, Jewels. So what is 13 minus 7? If you're not sure, you can. Very good. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good. Now 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5?
1.
Very good. So what is your total with the cent symbol? What is your answer? Your final answer? Jewels? You're going to say 16 cents.
16 cents.
Very good. All right. I'm going to have Jason go next. Jason, more on the floor.
Go next door and get 10 more.
Very good. 4 becomes a 3, 2 becomes a 12. What is 12 minus 8? Count on from 8. 8 to 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers did I put up?
12.
4. 12 minus 8 equals 4. Okay, what's 3 minus 2?
3 minus 2. 1.
Very good. So what is your total?
21.
14.
Miss Park,
What
can
is
you
the
give me some more time because I have to write it down?
You can always watch this video on YouTube later, and then you can fill out any missing work from there. Okay, Jason, what is the total? You're gonna say 14 cents.
14 cents.
Very good. Angelica, you're gonna go next. 80 cents minus 29 cents. More on the floor.
Go next door and get 10 more.
Very good. So what is 10 minus 9?
So 10 minus 9.
You can use your fingers for this one. Ten minus 9. So I'm going to put away 9 fingers. So how many fingers do I have left?
1.
1. Very good. And then what is 7 minus 2?
7 minus 2.
Use your fingers.
5.
Very good. So what is the total? 51 cents.
9 cents.
Very good. Ava, you're going to do the next one. 72 cents minus 36 cents. More on the floor.
Go next door and get 10 more.
What is 12 minus 6? I'll give you a hint. It's a doubles fact. What is 12 minus 6?
6.
Very good. And then what's 6 minus 3?
3.
So what is your total?
36 cents.
Very good. Danica, you're going to answer the next one. Danica, 60 cents minus 48 cents. More on the floor.
Go next door and get 10 more.
Very good. What is 10 minus 8?
10 minus 8 equals 3.
Try again.
2.
2. 10 minus 8 equals 2. You can always use your fingers. What's 5 minus 4?
1.
1. So what is your total?
12 cents.
Very good. Okay, Eknor. I don't know if you've ever heard this poem, but this one is numbers the same, zeros the game. So Eknor, what is 8 minus 8?
8 minus 8 is 0.
And then what is 4 minus 1?
That's 3.
So what is your total?
30.
Very good. 30 cents is correct. Eva, you're going to answer the last one on reteaching, and then we're going to go to practice. Greg has 58 cents. He spends 25 cents. How much money does Greg have left? So we're going to line these up. The 10s are going to go in the 10s place. The ones are going to go in the ones place. And then we need to put that cent symbol. So the first thing we need to do is step 1, subtract the ones. More on top, Eva?
Stop.
No, need to stop. So what is 8 minus 5? What is 8 minus 5, Eva?
3.
Very good. And then what is 5 minus 2?
3.
Very good. So what is your total answer?
33 cents.
Very good. 33 cents is correct. Greg has 33 cents left. All right. So I know some of you guys are still working on this. So I'm going to give you guys 1 minute to finish this. If you would like, if you're done, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and work on the next page, the practice. If you're still writing this down, go ahead. I'm going to give you guys 1 minute to get it done.
Large noise.
All right, guys. So if you are not done filling this out, that's okay. I am recording this so you guys can go to the recording and then pause the video and then look at what you need to get completed. Okay. All right. Bless you. Let's go ahead and move on to our practice now. So remember, you can always finish this in our recordings. I'm going to be looking at our practice and we're going to keep going with working on it together as a class. And then we are going to be doing a digital quick check today. Okay, 14-2. Now this is our practice. I'm gonna, let's see. Let's make it a little bit smaller so we can see all of it. Okay, there we go. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I believe we ended with Eva, so let's do Kayla. Kayla, you're gonna answer the next question. Kayla, 64 cents minus 38 cents. More on the floor.
Go next
What?
door.
What page are we on?
We are on 14-2 practice.
Yeah, 14-2.
Very good, Kayla. What is 14 minus 8? So if you don't,
14 minus 8.
you can count on from 8 and get to 14. So I'm going to say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers did I put up? Or you can count down from 14 to 8. So you can put up 8 fingers and then put them down. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So what number did I end at?
6.
6. Okay, and then what is 5 minus 3?
5 minus 3 is 2.
Very good. So what is your total?
26.
26 cents. Very good. Okay, Margot, you're going to answer the next one. Margot, so we do have that poem. We say more on the floor, go next door, and get 10 more. So what is 13 minus 9, Margot?
4.
Very good. And then what is 7 minus 3?
4.
So what is your total?
44 cents.
Very good, Margot. All right, Matthew, you're going to answer this next one. So we have a poem. So what we do is we circle the bigger number. So 8 and 7, 8 is the bigger number. So more on top, no need to stop, which means you could just subtract. So you don't have to regroup. So Matthew, what is 8 minus 7?
1.
Very good. And then what is 6 minus 4?
2.
2. So what is your total? 21 cents.
Yeah.
Very good. All right. Next, we got Maylee. Maylee, number 4, 75 cents minus 37 cents. More on the floor.
Go next door and get 10 more.
Go next door and get 10 more. Maylee, what is 15 minus 7? This is a near doubles fact. So 15 minus 7. I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 7 plus what would equal 15? If 7 plus 7 equals 14, 7 plus, you need to add one more to 7 to get to 15. So what's one more than 7? What number comes after 7, Maylee?
8.
8. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. So that means that 15 minus 7 equals 8. Very good. What is 6 minus 3, Maylee? That's a doubles fact. Six minus 3. You can use your finger. Very good. So what is your total?
38 cents.
Very good. Awesome. All right, Nicholas, number 5. 57 cents minus 19 cents. 9 is bigger than 7. More on the floor. Go next door.
And get 10 more.
What is 17 minus 9? Well, I know that 17 minus 10 would equal 7. So if I just take away 1 from 7, what would that give us? What would be 1 less than 7?
I think it will be 8.
Very good. Oh, sorry, I meant 1 more than 7. Very good. So 17 minus 7. So we got, if we are subtracting with our fingers, you would say 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Very good.
Yeah.
What is 4 minus 1?
3.
Very good. So what is your total?
38 cents.
Very good. All right. And then last but not least, we've got Sierra. Sierra, 92 cents minus 21 cents. We have 2 that's bigger, so more on top.
No, I need to stop.
What is 2 minus 1?
1,
And what is 9 minus 7?
2,
So what is your total answer?
21 cents.
21 cents. Awesome. This one is also going to be a more on top, no need to stop. So 34 cents is the answer for question number 7. And then for question number 8, we've got more on the floor. So we need to go next door and get 10 more. 13 minus 4, well, 13 minus 4, I can just count down 12, 11, 10, 9. And then 8 minus 4 equals 4. So my total here is 49 cents. Is there anyone who has not gone? Everybody went, correct? Anybody who has not gone?
Everybody went. Even me.
I went.
Okay, good.
Miss Park,
Yes.
can you give me some time to write the 3 answers on the bottom? Because I'm writing it on the paper because I can't find my math book.
No worries. So if you're working on it, no worries. You can keep working on it. I'm going to work on questions 9 and 10. And then I'll give you guys a few minutes to complete all of it. So we have Jane has 89 cents in her pocket. She buys a teddy bear for 76 cents. How much money does Jane have left? So what are we going to do? Are we going to add or are we going to subtract these numbers? What do you guys think?
Subtract.
Subtract. So what are we going to subtract? 89 minus what?
89 minus 70.
76. Very good. So we're going to start. What are we going to subtract first? The tens place or the ones place?
The ones place.
Ones place. So
Place.
which number is bigger? Is 9 bigger or is 6 bigger?
9.
So what is the poem?
More on top. No need to stop.
What is 9 minus 6?
3.
Okay, what is step 2? Subtract the
1. 10.
tens. Okay, 8 minus 7. What is your answer?
1.
So what is our total?
13 cents.
Very good. Okay, now write a story for this problem, then solve the problem. So I'm gonna solve it first. I know that 9 is bigger than 5. So more on the floor, go next door. So I'm gonna borrow 1 from the 5, so they become a 4, and I'm gonna get 10 more. So I'm gonna add 10 to 5, which is get 15. 15 minus 9 equals 6. I know because 9 plus 6 equals 15. 4 minus 4 equals 0. So my total is 6 cents. Okay, now you need to write a story. You can write whatever story you want. You can write whatever story you want. So here's my story. I'm gonna write, let's see, what is something you guys really like? Name something you guys really like.
Baby Yoda.
Okay,
I
So-
think I like Vaporeon and Mimikyu.
so
Like,
Dan
I like
has
chocolate. I like chocolate.
55 cents. Oh, I don't know if I have the
I like
cent.
Fortnite.
Ice cream.
I don't have the cent symbol, so I'm just gonna write cents.
I think I have.
5 Baby Yoda
I like
for 49 cents.
I have a
How
Vaporeon
much
Mimikyu.
does she have left? Okay, so you guys can write whatever you want. You do not need to copy mine. You do not need to copy mine. You can say Eva has 55 cents. She buys Among Us Poppets for 49 cents. How many does she have? How much does she have left? You can say, you could say Russell has 55 cents. He buys Roblox credits for 49 cents. How much does he have left? Ava could say Ava has 59 cents. She buys art supplies from Art for Kids for 49 cents. How much does she have left? The only thing that you need to make sure that is the same is the amount of money, 55 cents and 49 cents, because that's what we're working with. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute to work on this. And then after, I'm going to assign your, I'm going to assign your digital quick check.
I still need
I know, so
more
I'm gonna give you guys
time
one.
because I'm doing this on paper.
I know, so I'm gonna give you guys 1 more minute, and if you don't finish, that's okay. I will, you can watch this on YouTube, pause the video, and get whatever you need completed. All right, so let me repeat myself. So if you are not done, if you have not finished this work, I put question number 10 in the chat for you guys. So question number 10 is in the chat. If you need to finish any of the other work, I'm gonna put this video up on YouTube, and you guys can pause the video and get whatever work you need completed on YouTube, okay? So that's what you guys are gonna do. Right now, we're gonna move on to our digital quick check. You guys are gonna work on your digital quick check on your own in class. Once you've submitted it and you get your score back, you're gonna type your score in the chat. You can private message it to me so that I can see that you completed it. Once you've completed your digital quick check, you're free to log off of Zoom unless you have missing work. If there's any missing work you need to get completed, you need to get that done. I believe McGraw-Hill is still not working. So if your only missing work is in McGraw-Hill, then for today you can head off. But then as soon as that site is back up and working, I would like you guys to get your work completed. Okay, so I'm gonna.
You're still recording.
I know. So I am going to assign your digital quick check now. And once you're done with your digital quick check, you're gonna put your score in the chat. And then once you have put your score in the chat, if you have no missing work, then you will be free to log off. And then ELD students are gonna come back at 12 o'clock. Everyone else is gonna come back at 12:45 for science. Everyone else will come back at 12:45 for science. All right, I just assigned it to you guys, so go ahead. Okay, you can't put 100%. I just assigned it. I just assigned it. So there's no way you could have taken it already. So go to math. If you need help getting to your math website, let me know. So Eva's working on it right now. Kayla, I need to see you getting onto your math. Margot, you're
I'm still writing it number 10 down.
okay. So Margot, you're gonna go to Google Classroom. And then you're gonna click on the waffle. And then click on Gmail. I'll show you guys how to get to Pearson again. Go to and then click on Gmail. From your Gmail, click on the waffle again. Scroll all the way down till you get to Savvis Easy Bridge. Click on the waffle again, click on Savvis Easy Bridge.
Miss Park,
Yes?
I'm already there. Quickly as a flash.
Okay. Oopsies. All right, if you've put your score, I don't see your score in the chat. So put your score in the chat once you're done. So click on Envision Math California Common Core Grade 2. And then you're going to click on My Work.
Miss Park?
Yes. And then you're going to click on Get Started.
Miss Park,
Yes.
I'm done with my sentence.
Okay, perfect. So now you're going to work on your digital quick check. So click on that, Margot. And you guys are going to take your digital quick check on your own. I want to see how well you know your math. So you're going to go to Savvis Easy Bridge, Matthew. So go to Google Classroom, click on the waffle, click on Gmail, click on the waffle again, and then go to Savvis Easy Bridge. Okay, good job, Eva. You're free to go. Good job, Eknor. You're free to go. Okay, go
Miss
back.
Park?
You got to go back to Google Classroom, Matthew. Yes.
You know how we have science?
Try
Well,
loading it again,
we
Matthew.
do
For some reason,
science
your
and
internet's not
it's not-
working. Yes, for science. Okay, try going to Google Classroom again. I'm going to close out of it. I want you to try again. So try
Don't we
opening
have
up Google
science?
Classroom again.
Don't we have science and it's on McGraw Hill?
Oh, that's true, but it's okay. Just come back and then I'll try to find a recording of it or something. Okay, go to Google Classroom. All right, Maylee, you're good. Ava, you're good. 449934, whoever put 80%, you're good. Click on the waffle. Scroll all the way down to Savvis Easy Bridge.
Miss Park, I'm done. I get 100%.
All right, you're free to go.
Bye.
All the way down to Savvis Easy Bridge. It's the last one on the left-hand side.
Miss Park, can me and Ava go in a breakout room?
I'll keep this room open for you guys after I help out Matthew. Okay, you're gonna click Envision Math, California Common Core Grade 2. Click on that, Matthew.
Miss Park, I am barely going to my math test.
Okay, click on my work, Matthew. The orange, click on the orange pencil.
Miss Park, I finished my math test.
All right, you're free to go. Okay, click. So you have to take both of those, Matthew. So why don't you take your online topic test first? Click get started on that first one. All right.